Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. This is Pooja Ekka, member of Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. Today I am presenting here the introduction of State Forensic Science Laboratories in India. Content. Let's see what we have to discuss on this video. First, introduction. Second, the role of Central Advisory Committee. Third, the role of FSL. Fourth, organizational structure. Fifth, forensic science lab in another state. Sixth, division of state FSL. Seventh, current director of state FSL. Introduction. As the development was taking place, the need was also felt to open more labs where number of sample can be analyzed and there should no pending case left in lab. After the formation of state, at that time the need was also felt to soon establishing a state level forensic science laboratory. The actual creation of a state forensic science laboratory was formally announced by a government resolution on 22nd December. The first forensic science laboratory in India was established in year 1952 at Kolkata, but this lab became fully operational in 1953. The medico-legal section of Chemical Examiner Laboratory. In year 1955, a small unit of physics was established in West Bengal State Forensic Science Lab to deal with various physical examination. The role of Central Advisory. The Union government appointed above said two committee for the resolution of open-handed, a lead to all the state in establishing new forensic science research laboratory. The Central Medico-Legal Advisory Committee was advised the central and the state government on matter related to medico-legal processes and practice. The Central Advisory Committee on Forensic Science well thought out the matter associated to domain of forensic science. Role of FSL. Forensic Science Laboratory plays a vital role in the administration of justice. Crime Laboratory applies science and technology to examine physical evidence from an objective independent perspective. The main function of FSL is to examine, compare and evaluate physical evidence to link a suspect to the victim or to the scene of crime and to the protection of innocent. Example, a person who is suspected and arrested due to circumstantial evidences is set free when real culprit is identified. And training of police investigator as what constitute a physical evidences and how it is to be found, collected, preserved and delivered to the laboratory. Organizational structure of State Forensic Science Lab. Director, it characterized in two wings. First is technical wing, second is administrative wing. The post comes under the technical wing. First, additional director, second, deputy director, third, joint deputy director, fourth, assistant director or the senior scientific officer, and the last is scientific assistants. And the post comes under the administrative wing is first is section officer and the last is attendant. Forensic science laboratories in other state. By encouraging with Central Forensic Science Advisory Committee, several Indian states recognized their self-fully equipped laboratories. So, some states upgraded their existing chemical examiner laboratory and scientific section of the CID unit into the forensic science laboratory. On next slide, there is a one table in which we can see that where the lab were established in different states of India. In this slide, there is a two column. In left side, there is a name of state and onto the right side, the year of opening of lab. In this, we should study about in which year the forensic science laboratory is open in a specific state in India. First, Assam in 1964, Andhra Pradesh 1974, Bihar in 1964, Delhi in 1993, Gujarat 1974, Haryana 1974, Himachal Pradesh 1989, Jammu and Kashmir 1964, Kerala 1968, Manipur 1989, Maharashtra 1958, Meghalaya 1989, Orissa 1968, Punjab 1881, Rajasthan 1971 and Uttar Pradesh 1969. State Forensic Science Laboratory, Bombay was started by merging Chemical Examiner Laboratory in 1958. This was followed by similar laboratory in Madras, Punjab, Bihar, MP, etc. Over the year, the goal of at least one forensic science laboratory in each and every state was sought to be achieved. Earlier, almost all state forensic science laboratories were part of the police department. Nevertheless, now it is a self-governing department under the Central of Home Department of the state. Division of State FSL. A state FSL has following division. First, Document Division. Second, Chemistry Division. Third, Biology Division. Fourth, Physics Division. Fifth, Ballistic Division. Sixth, Toxicology Division. Seventh, Serology Division. 8th, DNA Division. 9th, Arson and Explosive Division. 10th is the Computer Forensic Division. Current Director of State FSL. This is the list of some of the current director of the State FSL. Assam, Dr. R.P. Gohin. Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Gopinath Guri Boina. Bihar, Dr. Nilendu Bikhet Bardhan. Gujarat, Dr. J.M. Vyas. Himachal Pradesh, Dr. Arun Sharma. Manipur, Dr. S. Joy Chandra. Maharashtra, Dr. Krishna Kulkarni. Meghalaya, K.C. Barwa. And Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Harsh Sharma. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and knowledgeable, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group.